इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's किचन। आई एम अस्मा। Today I am going to share really yummy recipe of sweet tamarind relish. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is a recipe card in the end of the video. So here are the ingredients you will need. Tamarind pulp 2 cup, chili powder 1 tablespoon, dry ginger powder 1 tablespoon, roasted and grinded white cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, and sugar 1 cup. Now take tamarind pulp in a saucepan and add dry ginger powder, roasted and grinded white cumin seeds, chili powder, and sugar. Now mix it well so that sugar gets completely dissolved into tamarind pulp. Then bring it to boil. It is boiling. Turn off flame and dish it out. And serve it chill. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button, share this video, and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.